Hello guys, welcome back to another Walmart box unboxing. I believe this is the summer, this is the summer 2002 box. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. The way they packaged this one was weird, so I was like, which side's top? Okay, there it is. So, alright. So, where's our little card? Here it is. Summer Glow Up, hashtag Walmart Beauty Box. It's got a list of all the things you could get. You don't get everything in there, but the stuff you do get is from this list. And all the stuff here, I think for the most part, I got the good stuff. There's like one thing in here I kinda wish I'd gotten that I didn't, but for the rest of it, not bad. So, first thing in here, sadly for me, I'm gonna be giving this to my mom because I can't use it. It's the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier in Pina Colada. Obviously, because of the coconut, I cannot with it, but she can, so. But yeah, full size is like $9 for a 6 count of these. But yeah, it says get hydrated faster and more efficiently than by drinking water alone. This delicious non-GMO electrolyte powder drink mix contains 5 essential vitamins. So there's that. And then, this is the Ombi Black Soap Bar with shea butter. So this is full size, and it's $1.92, which seems crazy cheap for like a whole bar of soap, but maybe not. Gently clean, moisturize, and condition your skin with a unique beauty bar that uses natural ingredients to go beyond basic cleansing. But yeah, it's just like, I still haven't tried any of the black soaps yet. I've got several of the African black soaps on hand that I need to start using up. Maybe I'll start with this one, because this one sounds gentler. But I've heard they're, like, really good for your skin, especially if you're acne prone, like I am, so we'll see. Maybe it'll be a game changer. We have yet another one of the little itty-bitty sample sizes of the Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Facial Moisturizer, but this one also has SPF in it, which makes no sense to me, because if you're washing it off, the SPF is not going to stay. Wait. No, that says moisturizer. This is cleanser. Where is that on here? I am suspicious it is not listed in here. Well, apparently they were supposed to include a moisturizer. Must have run out and they put in the cleanser instead. Whatever. It doesn't matter. I can still use it. I'm more excited for this anyway, because of freaking course I am. So, this is by the brand Hello, and it's their Moisturizing Sweet Mint Vegan SPF Lip Balm. It's full size, it's $4.48, which is not bad at all. I don't think I've tried any lip balms from this brand. I don't think I realized they made lip balms until today. Now I'm gonna look and see if they have any other flavors, because I bet they do. And I bet I'm curious to see how they do, because that is what kind of a channel we are here. So, happy to have that. I'm possibly the most excited about that out of everything in here. Surprise, surprise! So, from Palmer's, we have the Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Protein Pack. So, this is like with 2 times the coconut oil. Created for all curl patterns and textures. This is a full size, it's $1.47. This concentrated moisture treatment deeply penetrates to restore dry, damaged, overprocessed, and color-treated hair. AKA me. Visibly smooths rough hair cuticles, which could definitely use some help with, improves manageability, and increases shine after each use. Interesting. Immediately after shampooing with Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Shampoo, apply protein pack generously and work through hair from root to tip and allow it to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. I bet you there's like several uses in this, because that seems like a lot. Like that's at least 2, if not 3. Maybe more. I don't know how much it takes to do all my hair, but it seems like a fair amount in there, so I'm actually kind of excited about that. We have an itty-bitty little sample here. I don't know. Depending what's in here, I don't know if I can use this. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Active ingredient is menthol. I can use that. So I was like, if it's any kind of NSAID, I can't, but it only shows 1 ingredient, so I'll have to look online to double check on this. But it's the Sagely Naturals Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream, which is why I was like, wait, if it has NSAIDs, I can't, but I'm not seeing anything about NSAIDs, so we'll double check. But yeah, so the full size of this would be $12.48 for 3 ounces. This is not 3 ounces. Anyway. So, look your best when you feel your best. This instantly soothing pain relief cream is plant-based, clean alternative to chemical packed products, and it effectively eliminates minor pain so you can feel more you. Well, again, I will definitely double check what's in it before using it, but so far it sounds like something that I should be cool with, and if that works, I may have to buy more of that. So, anyway, that is what I got in my summer Walmart beauty box, or just Walmart box in general. I guess it's beauty box on here, so yeah, Walmart beauty box. So anyways, that is it for this one, guys. As usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.